Once I left school, I decided to do joinery in tech, and so I was like the only girl in a workshop full of about 200 fellas. And because there's older fellas there as well, so I was like a younger girl and I was alone and I didn't know anyone in the tech. And they assumed I was only there because of the fellas. And then I would get messages on Facebook from the fellas about how they have bets with their friends on out of the group who'd be the first to bed me. There was times where they would grope me as well. Like some of the people in my class would run up behind me and think it's okay to like grab my bum because their excuse was I was one of the lads. I started a placement because of that, and the place was kind of run by an older man. And he was just like the teenage boys, only older, and just the comments that he constantly made, it was, oh, what age are you? So I knew that he thought that I was extremely young than I actually was, but yet he still made comments on my appearance constantly. And then eventually, because I would just kind of nod and ignore him, he said, oh, it's okay, you don't have to worry about working with that face, just put on a smile and sell to the customers.